डियर व्यूअर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ तमाम दोस्त खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम बिजली और पानी की बचत के बारे में एक छोटा सा मैं वीडियो क्लिप बना रहा हूँ। आल्दो इसके कंटेंट्स जो मैंने नोट किए वो इंग्लिश में है, तो सबसे पहले मैं सब भाइयों को गुजारिश करता हूँ कि मेरी इस कावज़ को ज़रूर अप्रिशिएट कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। तो इस सिलसिले में मैंने कुछ जो इंग्लिश में कंटेंट्स इसके बनाए हैं वो आपके गोश गुजार हैं। एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन इज़ द प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस। Energy sources include both water and electricity. We are facing acute shortage of both the energy sources at national level, and it becomes our prime responsibility to contribute in the cause while in public places as well as at homes. Each of us to be well cognizant of the lingering issue and play a positive role in tackling the issue with cooperation and sense of responsibility. Excessive load shedding has increased, therefore few additional tips to conserve these precious resources are, that is, utilize daylight to the optimum by adjusting the workplace for those who require more light. Open blinds of the windows, put off the lights when leaving your office. Put off the washroom lights after use. Unplug or shut down equipment when not in use. Use power saving mode on all the electric equipment. While purchasing electronic equipment, we must endeavor to look for Energy Star rated equipment. Use task lights instead of lighting the entire room. Now we come to the water crisis and water management in the country. To overcome this problem, always check your toilets and pipes for leakage. Take shorter showers and install water. And install water saving shower heads or flow restrictors. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth or shaving. Water your lawn only when it is needed. Don't use water lavishly on washing of cars and motorbikes. Hope you will like my video and will appreciate me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.